my favorite mug and another road to take. Bertie Bea is pointed west, Rosie's tagging right behind, chasing mountain sunrises and a little peace of mind. From Colorado rivers to the waters in Wyoming, chasing trout in western waters, keep this wanderer roaming. I've learned that every mile teaches if you're willing to slow down. The road ain't always smooth, but that's where wisdom's found. I'm living the Wandering Gypsy RV Life, rolling smooth beneath these western skies. From trout streams in the morning to campground lights at night, talking RV lessons, sharing stories from the ride, with Bertie Bea and Rosie headed toward the next sunrise. Some folks chase a destination, I chase answers on the way, living the Wandering Gypsy RV life, one horizon every day. I stood beside cold rivers, watching rainbow trout rise, and listened to the Wyoming wind sing its song across the mountains. I've gathered with RV friends at rallies far from home, teaching folks to roll smooth wherever they may roam. From fuel islands and back roads to rodeos on summer nights, there's always one more story waiting just beyond the headlights. The road has taught me patience, and the wind gets a vote. Sometimes rolling smooth means knowing when not to go. Every lesson has a purpose, every setback has a name, and every western sunset makes me grateful just the same. I'm living the Wandering Gypsy RV life, rolling smooth beneath these western skies. Come trout streams in the morning to campground lights at night, talking RV lessons, sharing stories from the ride, with Bertie Bea and Rosie headed to the next sunrise. No, not all who wander are lost, some are learning as they go, living a Wandering Gypsy RV life, down America's highways and back roads. Western skies above me, open road below. Bertie Bea keeps rolling, and I've still got miles to go.